Hello, my name is Raul Paradeda and I'm going to present the paper entitled The Importance of the Person's Assertiveness in Persuasive Human-Robot Interaction. Let's go up to a brief introduction. We are surrounded with strategies that lead us to buy or do something. That's persuasion in action. But there are many strategies that we can use to carry out persuasion, mainly in HRI, from the simple least invasive ones to a more complex and invasive ones. However, the persuasion used is not personalized for each person. It means it's the same strategy for all people. To avoid that, personalization can be done, for example, using our personality traits. The goals and hypotheses of this work were regarding the influence of the person's assertiveness level on the person-agent perception and decisions made, and the influence of the person's personality on persuasion. So, in sum, this work can be divided in 3 steps. In the first one, through a questionnaire, we identify the participants' MBTI personality. We also use the questionnaire, which measures the person's assertiveness level. Then we use the Godspeed questionnaire to measure the person's perception regarding the agent used. And finally, a social demographic questionnaire for simple characterization. In the second step, it's time for the interaction with our agent. In this sense, we use the names robot as storyteller and persuasive agent in an interactive storytelling scenario. The aim tells a scene, and 2 options regarding that scene is presented to the participant that must inform an intention of decision. So, the agent performs persuasion to try to make the participant change or confirm his decision. In the last step, we asked the participant to inform how he perceived the agent regarding the assertiveness level and Godspeed elements, and how the robot influenced on the decisions made in the interaction. The participants were assigned to one of the 2 study conditions, in which the robot performed persuasion congruent or different from participants' personality classification. We developed our agent to behave assertively using those settings. And before the interactive narrative starts, the agent performs a small talk with the participant to increase the person-robot trust level. The robot influences the participant using encouragement, when the participant must confirm his intention, and when the participant must change his decision, the agent can use the technique of creating empathy, presenting data, and rethinking. The main findings and contribution for the community were that we find pieces of evidence that the assertiveness level of a person can affect how the person perceives the persuasive agent and the decisions made in the task. And regarding the personality, we identify that some preferences are easily to influence the decision change than others. So, the success or not of a persuasion strategy can be associated with the personality traits of the target. So, thank you.